Hi, this is Mark with Accent Gold Solutions. Today we're going to be doing a brief video on the pros and cons of Salesforce.com. At Accent Gold, our strength is to compare CRM systems. We do represent a number of systems, including Microsoft, Sugar, Sage Act, Sales Logics, even SAP that we've been certified in, including other third-party apps such as QuoteWorks, Crystal Reports, etc. Our goal is to help you figure out what's the best CRM for you in your environment, your requirements, your vision, your business process, and then help you possibly implement that as well. What are the pros of Salesforce? Well, their number one pro, they really are masters at marketing and masters at sales. They do a great job selling their software, getting you in, getting you to be part of their team. There's also a growing market for SaaS software, and they're taking advantage of that. In fact, some people could say they've actually built that market themselves. They've put a lot of marketing investment into the awareness and publicity for SaaS, software as a service. They've promoted the perception that that software as a service gives you a lower total cost of ownership, and that is true, I would say, much of the time with larger deployments, 100 users, 150 users, even 50 users. It can be less expensive to have an on-premise model, such as what Microsoft CRM offers. Their on-premise model is definitely less expensive even than their online model in terms of deployment options there. They help out their buyers by saying, listen, it's easy to buy from us. It's not complex. It's not complex to set things up. We'll help you figure out your process. We'll get you technically set up. It's not a problem at all. And we've got a great app store. So, and they probably have the most mature app store on the marketplace. What are the challenges that they face? Well, you don't have, you as a user, as a client, don't have many deployment options. Your one option is to deploy it in the Salesforce cloud. That's it. You can't deploy it on your own cloud. You can't deploy it on your own hosting servers. You really have to go through them, and that is a challenge for them. They don't give you much flexibility. Whereas a product like Microsoft or a Sugar CRM or others do give you that flexibility. Also, they can be seen as overpriced at $125 per user per month for their enterprise version. They do have a cheaper version, but it doesn't include basic features such as workflow. So if you're going to compare a product, the number 2 and the number 3 CRM vendors, Microsoft and Sugar, you really can't compare them with Salesforce Professional. You really have to compare them with Salesforce Enterprise. And I would even say they have more features than Salesforce Enterprise. But at Microsoft at $44 a month is a third of the price of Salesforce, and Sugar Professional with those features is a quarter of the price at $30 a month. Salesforce can be seen as having really hidden costs and hidden fees. What they do is they build in limits. Yes, you can use our email, but what happens if I get over 250 emails a day? Oh, that's a problem. That's going to cost you more. A lot of things like that. You can have fields customized. Oh, great, I need 101. Oh, sorry, we only give you 100 custom fields. There's a whole ton of those things. They have a 41-page document describing all of their limits, and I've written blogs. You can go to our website, accentgold.com, to see all the details there. Workflow can't be triggered from outside of Salesforce. They're single tenant. That means everybody's on the same mainframe database. You don't have people being able to upgrade when they feel like it. You are upgraded by them when they feel like it, because everybody's on one huge, massive mainframe database. Data ownership, people have been concerned in the past. Is Salesforce owning my data now, or am I? Customer retention, we see a lot of people defecting because of these types of issues. Service outages, in the past that's been an issue, and there hasn't been a service level agreement offered to customers to assure uptime. I'm not sure if that's changed or not recently. And their platform is proprietary. That means you have to understand their software, their programming, to be able to work in their platform. It's not open. It's not open source. It's also not Microsoft based. At Accent Gold, we'd love to help you figure out what is the best CRM for you. It might be Salesforce, it might be Sugar, it might be Microsoft or other products out there. That's our job, to help you figure out what's the best for you, and then get you with a user adoption so that your users will really love it. We would love to serve you.